Hi, I am Akshatha Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you the checklist for selecting the best stocks. It might be for swing trades or for investments. These days, market is very much volatile and most of the stocks have lost their value. That is, the valuation has come down. That means now the stocks are at good value. Most of the good stocks are available at discounted price. So the valuation is almost at a very good state now. So this is the right time to do the investment if you are an investor in a small quantities. Or even if you are doing swing trades, you can select these stocks and keep it in the watch list, and you can adopt your strategy and take the trades. So what are the points which you have to check when you select a stock? The first thing, which is a major trigger point, is the promoter holdings. If in the present good value stage the promoters are selling out their stock, then it is a big red flag. Instead of accumulating the stocks, if they are selling out their holdings, that means there is some problem in the company going on, and it is an indication that we should not get into that stock. This is not the only criteria to be considered, but this is also one of the criteria which you have to consider while selecting a stock. The second point that you have to consider while selecting a stock is that select such stocks where the commodity itself is the brand. For example, if you take salt, I am just giving an example. I am not again promoting any stock over here. This is just an example. I am just giving you some ideas for information purpose. Whenever you say salt, usually the first thing that comes to our mind is Tata Salt, right? The commodity is just salt over there, but Tata is the brand. So when the thought of salt comes to our mind, it comes as Tata Salt. Similarly, if we take tires, the first thing that comes to our mind is MRF. MRF is not the tire actually, it is a brand. So the tire is a commodity which has given this brand. So tire is a commodity, but when it comes to the thought of tire, MRF comes into picture. So people want MRF tires, specifically they will ask for MRF tires. So this is a case where the commodity itself has become the brand. So these companies will have a big advantage over the others because they will have premium value. This helps them during the price increase. The next point to be considered, that is a third point, is a defensive stocks. That is, you will have to look for those stocks which are into the products which are essentials. Even though the market times are bad, people cannot restrict themselves from buying these products. For example, FMCGs, pharmas, if someone falls ill, they will have to go about and purchase those medical products, right? So you will have to select such industries which are into essentials or FMCGs, which cannot be much influenced by the market conditions. Luxuries can be cut down during hard times, but the essentials cannot be cut down. So if you are into luxury market, then when the market becomes volatile, when the conditions worse, people cut down on luxuries, which will directly impact the companies. So always check for those stocks which are into essentials. The fourth point in our checklist is good valuation. For example, if I construct a commercial building worth rupees 2 crores, that is, the building costed me 2 crores, I should be able to collect at least 2 to 3 lakhs per month, right? Otherwise, it is of no use. So, the time in which our investment can be recovered will also matter when we consider a particular stock. So the valuation should be realistic and not hypothetical. So you will have to check the profits and the EPS of the stock before you invest in the stock. The fifth point is self-funding. The company should be capable of self-funding. It should not depend upon the external sources or debt for funds. If the company wants to expand, then it should have adequate free cash flows which will facilitate expansion and sustainability. The last point in our checklist for today is earnings over revenue growth. You will have to check the earnings growth, not the revenue growth. Say I am selling a product for rupees 1000 and my production cost here is 400. Now I also need to do the marketing, and let's say the marketing cost comes to 200. So I'll be making profit of rupees 400 on a product which is sold at 1000 rupees. Now let's say bad time has come, and instead of spending 200 for marketing, I will have to spend 400 per product on marketing to keep my sales at the same level. So now when I spend 200 extra for marketing, obviously my profit is going to come down. Even if I go on increasing the sales, my profitability is not increasing. This is of no use for me, right? When I invest, I should be able to see good profits in that company so that we will be able to take returns out of it. So you will have to go with the earnings growth and not the sales growth. Sales can increase, but along with that, earnings has to increase in order to get good returns from our investments. So yeah, these were the 6 points which has to be in your checklist whenever you select a company. These are not the only things, but these are the major things which at least should be checked without fail before selecting any stock for investment or for swing trades. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have not yet joined my free Telegram channel, then the link is given in the description. Please join. You will get a lot of information in this free Telegram channel. And if you are watching this video without subscribing, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.